Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to link WhatsApp to Facebook. So let's dive in. This is your Facebook. The first thing you're going to do is click on your profile picture, and the next thing you scroll down and click on the three dots. Let me go and show my tab for you to see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go back. So you click on those three dots and now click on your edits, then scroll down and click on links, click on edit. Now here add a social link. Now click on the platform to select the one you want to link. Click on your WhatsApp. Let's say there's a WhatsApp business here. Okay, click on your WhatsApp and click on your username on your WhatsApp. So I'm going to go and check my username on my WhatsApp now. So let's go down. Let me go and check my username. Okay, click on this for check your username. Click on settings. Okay, this is it. Alright, so I'm going back to go and write it. So we have let me go and check back again. I'm going to say the username very well. 008. Okay. I'm done. Click on done. You can see, and you have automatic add your WhatsApp to your Facebook. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.